Here, as you can see, we're painting everything a bright white. I'm going to try to save the floors. That's going to be blue. That's going to be white. We're just going to add a touch of dark blue to everything. Like we're going to do all new tile in there, new commodes. New ceiling fan. Getting the cabinets painted, painted the vent hood. We're gonna get a new washing machine, a refrigerator, and a new dishwasher. Got the touch of blue. Get some new mini blinds, clean the floors. Fresh coat of paint. Clean up the ceiling fans. There's a couple ceiling fans that needs to be replaced. It needs to be a good cleaning. Doing the tile over there. I think we're keeping this one white. Yeah, I think that we're keeping that one white. Smells a lot better, y'all. A lot better. I don't know what I want to do with the barn doors. I don't know if we should just do a cedar and then do some cedar accents or do blue. I'm thinking maybe just a cedar.
Yeah.
Say that again?
No.
But I'm thinking maybe some shelves on this wall. And then maybe do an accent right here to tie it in together with the floor. Yeah. Let me know your thoughts.
Looking good.
Okay, let's look at this. I got the tile here. I got the new commode in. I got the new vanity in. I think that's gonna look good. Still gotta do a new ceiling fan here. Bunch of cleaning. Got the new countertops in. We'll get a new stove and a refrigerator and a dishwasher. And then we have to trim out these pieces. Then we're going to fix this. Got the new commode here. Gonna do shelves here. So all of this will be done. Ah. So yeah, keep watching and see what we turn this into. Out there in the back, we're going to stain that deck.